Bitter gourd, a bitter treasure. Bitter gourd, often referred to as bitter melon, is a vegetable renowned for its health benefits despite its bitter taste. Packed with nutrients and medicinal properties, it's a valuable addition to any diet. Nutritional content of bitter gourd. Bitter gourd is a treasure trove of vitamins and minerals. Some of its key nutrients include vitamins, vitamin C, B complex vitamins, especially B1, B2, and B3, and vitamin A, minerals, potassium, magnesium, and zinc. Health benefits of bitter gourd. Diabetes management. Bitter gourd is a boon for people with diabetes. Carotene, a compound found in bitter gourd, helps lower blood sugar levels. It works similar to insulin and helps the body's cells absorb glucose. Improve digestion. Bitter gourd aids in digestion and can alleviate issues like constipation, bloating, and indigestion. Heart health. The potassium in bitter gourd helps regulate blood pressure, reducing the risk of heart disease. Skin health. Antioxidants in bitter gourd protect the skin from free radicals and promote healthy skin. It can help with acne and other skin conditions. Weight loss. Low in calories and beneficial for digestion, bitter gourd can aid in weight loss. Potential side effects of bitter gourd. Upset stomach. Consuming excessive amounts of bitter gourd can lead to stomach upset, vomiting, and diarrhea. Drug interactions. If you're already on diabetes medication, consult your doctor before consuming bitter gourd. It can interact with certain medications. Pregnancy and breastfeeding. Pregnant or breastfeeding women should consult a doctor before consuming bitter gourd. Bitter gourd for diabetes patients. Bitter gourd is highly beneficial for people with diabetes but should be consumed in moderation. Benefits: controls blood sugar, increases insulin sensitivity, aids in weight loss. Cautions: excessive consumption can cause stomach upset and interact with other medications. Incorporating bitter gourd into your diet. Bitter gourd can be incorporated into your diet in various ways. Bitter gourd juice. Extract the juice from bitter gourd and drink it. Adding lemon juice can improve the taste. Bitter gourd. Vegetable. Cook bitter gourd with lemon juice or yogurt to reduce the bitterness. Bitter gourd. Pickle. Make a pickle from bitter gourd. Bitter gourd. Chutney. Make a chutney from bitter gourd and enjoy it with bread. Conclusion: bitter gourd is a remarkable vegetable offering numerous health benefits. However, it should be consumed in moderation and as advised by a healthcare professional. Disclaimer: this information is for general knowledge only. Consult a doctor for any medical condition.